Hey man, listen, if it ain't Tote-N-Smoke, it's a joke. I'm trying to tell you right now. If it ain't Tote-N-Smoke, it's a doggone joke.
YouTube, we out here again in the bright sunshine on the 4th of July, and Tote-N-Smoke is putting in work, barbecuing. So let me show y'all what's going on here. Believe it or not, it all starts with the right fuel. You gotta have that mesquite wood and that oak, y'all. Tote-N-Smoke out here. Y'all see what's going on. Got one of the members of the Tote-N-Smoke crew. I got Grizz out here, y'all, doing what you're doing. Y'all see what's going on.
Yes, sir.
They're smoking out here. Talk to me about what y'all got going on today, man.
Man, what we got going on? What we don't got going on over there?
Come on, you ain't gonna open up, right?
Man, shoot.
Oh, man.
We got brisket mac. We got ribs all wrapped up back here. Brisket mac.
Wow.
Broccoli cheese casserole. Man.
Like that brisket mac and cheese.
Turkey legs
Oh
back
man,
there.
you got the turkey
We
leg
got that
going.
Boston boy back there.
Oh wow.
Still going ahead. We got brisket and everything else. And the truck is already done.
Y'all got the pork, the turkey, the beef. What's whatever you want.
All the meats.
All the meats.
Yes, sir.
And guess what? It'll all smoke, won't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I smoke that.
I smoke that.
Yes, sir. I see y'all got that offset
Yes, sir.
going on. I see what's going on. It starts with good fuel too. I saw that in the back of that 3500 there.
Absolutely.
You gotta have the right fuel. So look, y'all doing a great job on the 4th of July Independence. But guess what? Nothing but goodness. Y'all see it for yourself. Y'all see it for yourself. In the DFW, if you want some good food, you better catch up with Tote-N-Smoke.
Hey man,
get on
listen.
the train.
Hey man, listen. If it ain't Tote-N-Smoke, it's a joke. I'm trying to tell you right now. If it ain't Tote-N-Smoke, it's a doggone joke.
Y'all see the numbers? Brisket, ribs, sausage.